Alright guys, we're done with dinner, had some time to relax. Lauren and I are going to get the DTs out, the 03 and the 02 on the track. Got some new stuff to race with. We'll see what it means for us, whether we get better or worse. We got our buddy test driver RC, a mechanic and a test driver, sent us some tires, so we got them on the cars right now. This side's got cross links and the Viper, and this one's got the chain links and the Scribble. I think we might end up switching these so they're at the same hardness. You see that these are silvers, those are yellow and oranges, whatever. And we're also using our brand new CNHL 120C racing motors, or batteries. They're 2S. Yeah, where are our controllers? What did I do with the controllers? I don't know. I'll be right back. Gotta find my controller. We got them. So, I don't remember which one set up for which. I think this one is this one. Sure does look like it. I gotta adjust your steering on this one. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a short course, no dirt today. Here, put the clip on that one. I don't know which one you want to drive. If you want.
I like my red controllers.
Okay, so you'll stick with that one. And the other thing that's changed on this car is we have a different ESC, one that goes backwards. So put it on the front. There it is. As I was saying, this one was in our buy bargain. It's a Futaba. Turn your wheel for a second. Okay, hold on. Ha! I gotta bind this. Yeah, turn your controller off for a second. Alright. Yeah, they both, yeah. I think you were running this car last time we raced. So maybe I'll fast forward through some of this. Now, as I was saying, these new tires are what the heck? Meant for clay and indoor, from what I'm reading. So we're gonna stay off the dirt this time. We're gonna stay on the inside track. Yeah, get comfortable with it. You can reverse. Maybe you won't have to marshal as much. Alright, keep track of your car. We're going to do best of 5 because we keep forgetting who's doing what. Alright, and we're going to stay on the inside. Alright, mark, set, go! Oh, the goats come over to say hi. Alright, ready? Yeah, I know, the brown one hasn't been eating too much lately, guys. She's getting old. Hip's been bothering her. So that's your lap 2, right? This one still don't have reverse. Ah, there it goes. They're definitely way grippier, these tires. I do too. I just got to get used to them. You know what I mean? Like, the cars are almost too fast for it. And I think yours just ballooned off. Here, we'll stop for a second.
My final lap, but I can't stop now.
I think I got one more to catch up. So it looks like the DTO2 is going to be with it today. I'm going to go. Oh, what happened? Why'd my car? What happened? So did you win?
This might be my actual time.
Oh, so this is it. This is it.
No, you're like a lap behind me.
Ah, okay, you win. Take your winner lap, you cheater. Look at these poor wheels. We'll get them glued on properly once we're sure that we like them. You know, because there's another set we were got to put on. For this track, they don't like balloon too much, so.
Didn't you get that new pin?
Yeah, we got new pins.
That's
Yep.
Yeah,
That was a perfect add-on gift. We don't have any R clips.
Inside, they're like popping out of this thing.
Yeah, we got to put our clips on everything. So.
I like these tires though.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I think we're gonna glue them.
Yeah, they feel really nice.
Yeah. So it wasn't really head-to-head again, but you get to see us playing, I guess. Lauren won though. She for sure would. I was at least a lap behind. So that means DTO2 won twice. So maybe it's the car.
Yeah. Well, that car can't reverse.
No, it can't. It can't. But it is handling better today than it did last time. That ESC is better. I gotta fine-tune it. This is the first time we've used this ESC on it. But yeah, these tires are awesome. Go check out Test Driver. He's got a bunch of these for sale. They're all about 20 bucks for a set. We got another set to test out. And yeah. And these batteries are awesome. You know, we probably could go for a while longer, honestly. But
where's the power?
the power's the little guy right there on this thing.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Ooh, that's warm.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I don't think
our cars are hot. and this is just silver can in this one. So, but honestly, I don't.
That one goes fast. Though.
Yeah, we aren't full throttle in any of this, so our track is small. So, hopefully you guys dig, like and subscribe and all that, and we'll see you on the flip side. Have a great week. Peace. Yeah, we're gonna stay on the green.